To view TD Bank Mobile Banking, start by downloading the TD Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to log in. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in TD Bank Online Banking by clicking on the Enroll Now button and following the prompts to create a username and password. After enrolling, return to the login screen and enter your username and password. You will then be prompted to create a 4-digit passcode for added security. This passcode will be required each time you log in to the app. Once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard that displays your account balances and transactions. From this screen, you can navigate to different sections of the app by selecting the menu icon in the top left corner. This will give you access to a variety of features, including account activity, transfers, and bill pay. To view your account activity, select the account you want to view from the dashboard and then select the Activity tab. This will show you a list of your recent transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and purchases. You can also filter your transactions by date or category to help you stay on top of your spending. In addition to viewing your account activity, you can also use the TD Bank mobile app to transfer money between accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks. To transfer money, select the transfer option from the menu and follow the prompts to enter the amount and destination. Account. To pay a bill, select the bill pay option and follow the prompts to enter the payee information and payment amount. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that your bills are paid on time. Finally, to deposit a check, select the mobile deposit option and follow the prompts to take a picture of the check and enter the deposit amount. The check will then be deposited into your account and the funds will be available within a few days. By following these steps and using the TD Bank mobile app, you can easily view your account balances and transactions, transfer money, pay bills, and deposit checks from anywhere. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid missing payments or overdrafts.